Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dash cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of car care, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dashboard cleaning, exploring why it matters, and how to choose the perfect product to keep your car's interior looking its absolute best. Get ready to say goodbye to dust, grime, and those annoying fingerprints, because we're about to unlock the secrets to a spotless dashboard. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant 16 ounces. Tired of using multiple cleaners for your car's interior? This product simplifies your detailing. It cleans and protects leather, vinyl, plastic, and more with just one product. Save time and money with this all-in-one solution. It keeps your interior fresh and looking new without damaging surfaces. You can even use it on navigation and touch screens. Get professional-grade results with ease. Just mist it on and wipe it off. The formula also protects your car's interior from harsh sunlight, preventing cracking and fading. The premium formula wipes clean, leaving no residue or greasy feel. It restores the original appearance of the surface without adding extra shine. Always test it first. Chemical Guys is the brand of choice for both beginners and professionals. They offer top-quality car care products and world-class customer support. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. This cleaner is a true all-in-one solution. It simplifies your detailing process by handling leather, vinyl, plastic, and more. If you're looking to save time and money, this is the product for you. It's perfect for those who want a quick and effective clean. What people say. This does have a UV protectant in it, which of course, led me to purchase this. It works especially well cleaning off your armrests and control modules for windows, door locks. The final look is very nice. It's not a shine or a heavy sheen, it's in between the OEM flat look, when you first purchase a new car, and the light satin. Number 4. CR Guy's Plastic Restorer, bring trim back to life. Are you frustrated with plastic restorers that don't last? This product renews, seals, and protects interior and exterior surfaces. It will keep your car looking great for months. Tired of products that streak after the first rain? This product repels water and stays looking good. You can finally say goodbye to those unsightly streaks. Do you hate greasy products that never dry? This product restores and leaves a great finish, but it will completely dry to the touch. No more ruining your detailing supplies. CR Guys cares about quality. The products are made with the latest advancements in science, using the best equipment available. Every formula is mixed and bottled in the USA. The CR Guys team cares about customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, a team member will do everything in their power to make it right. What we like. This product offers results that last for months, unlike other restorers. It's designed to withstand rain and harsh conditions, keeping your car looking its best. If you are tired of products that fade quickly and leave a greasy finish, you should consider this one. It will keep your car's interior looking fresh for a long time. What people say. The dash cleaner is a great product. It cleans the dashboard very well. The design is very sleek. Number 3. CR Guy's Super Cleaner 18-ounce Kit. Are you frustrated with cleaners that don't live up to the hype? This product utilizes advanced nanotechnology to remove dirt and grime effectively. You'll be amazed at how well it works. Stop cluttering your cabinet with multiple cleaning products. This multi-surface cleaner replaces the need for several different cleaners. It's the only product you'll need. This cleaner works on various surfaces, including upholstery, fabric, leather, vinyl, and more. It's incredibly versatile, tackling bird droppings, grease, and tree sap with ease. It's a true all-in-one solution. CR Guys is committed to quality, using the latest scientific advancements and top-notch equipment. Every formula is made in the USA by hardworking Americans. You can trust its quality. The CR Guys team prioritizes customer satisfaction. If you have any issues, they're dedicated to resolving them. They are always there to help you. What we like. This cleaner is a true multi-surface champion. It eliminates the need for multiple cleaning products, simplifying your detailing kit. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner that tackles various surfaces, this is the one. It's perfect for those who want a simple, yet effective cleaning solution. What people say. The spray works great. I purchased this spray because I recently purchased a used SUV that had a dirty headliner with stains. I used a few applications of this spray and scrubbed with a microfiber towel and it completely removed the stains. This cleaner handled both surprisingly well. Naturally, the leather was easier to clean, but the microfiber also came out looking refreshed. It removes all stains, water, coke, grease, etc. It may take 2 or 3 applications, but it will remove it completely. All you do is spray and wipe. Number 2. Chemical Guy's Nonsense All-Surface Super Cleaner. Introducing a powerful solution for all your cleaning needs. This versatile cleaner effortlessly removes dirt, grime, and stains. It leaves surfaces looking brand new without any color, odor, or residue. Tired of stubborn stains? This advanced formula tackles grease, oil, and dirt with ease. It restores surfaces to their original shine in seconds. This fast-acting formula works on various surfaces, from upholstery to engine bays. It delivers professional-grade results every time you use it. This gentle yet effective formula is safe for all surfaces. It's a must-have for auto enthusiasts and detailing professionals. Car lovers choose Chemical Guys for the finest car care products. They also get world-class customer support and vast detailing knowledge. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. This cleaner is designed to be invisible, leaving no color, odor, or residue behind. It's perfect for those who want a powerful clean without any lingering scents or colors. If you are sensitive to smells or want a truly clean finish, you should consider this product. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a clean, fresh interior. What people say. This stuff brought years of mud, urine stains all to the surface. It brought all the dust and gunk out of the crevices for the hard plastic and vinyl materials too, with no hard scrubbing needed. It lifts the stain, and all you need to do is blot it with clean towel t-shirt. Number 1. Chemical Guy's InnerClean Pineapple Scent Interior Cleaner. Want to transform your car into a tropical paradise? This pineapple-scented interior and dashboard cleaner will do just that. It will make the car smell amazing. Get a pristine, dust-free interior. Every time you step into your car, you'll be amazed by how clean it is. Cleaning your car is now a breeze. The easy-to-use, non-greasy formula effortlessly wipes away grime. Enjoy a cleaner car interior for longer. This product helps reduce the frequency of your cleaning sessions. Impress your passengers with a spotless, fresh-smelling car. Get ready for the compliments to roll in with this top-rated interior and dashboard cleaner. What we like. This product brings a tropical freshness to your car. It leaves your car smelling great and keeps it clean for longer. If you like a fresh, clean scent and want an easy-to-use cleaner, this is the perfect choice. It will make your car a more enjoyable place to be. What people say. It has worked great. It does a great job of cleaning the interior, and I use it on all surfaces in the car, including the large screen, dashboard, seats, door panels, all trim, and everything on the center console. It does not leave any residue and does not smudge. InnerClean is a cleaner, detailer, and protectant. It performs many tasks in one application, which of course, saves you time and makes it easy to use. It is also 100% liquid, with viscosity equivalent to water, which also makes it easier to use than a gelatinous interior detailing fluid. This characteristic also makes it easy to apply evenly across all surfaces without lots of smoothing. InnerClean has a very mild, yet pleasant scent that doesn't linger or create an odd aroma over time. I'd call the smell pineapple or tropical. InnerClean is also quite long-lasting. I have noticed that because it does not leave a shiny or glossy finish, it doesn't leave residue. Therefore, it also doesn't pick up dust and dirt like many other interior detailers. In fact, it almost seems to repel dust, fingerprints, and dirt. In fact, I had sunscreen on my hands the other day, touched my vinyl door panel, and when I took a towel about 2 hours later to clean it up, it came off with just one wipe. I was impressed. It protected the vinyl from something that usually would absorb into the materials, making it difficult to get clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.